Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Crypto.com for rewards and payments. To begin configuring Crypto.com for rewards and payments, start by downloading the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email address. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log into the app with your credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Next, complete the KYC process for account verification by providing the required personal information and documents. Once your account is verified, navigate to the home screen and tap on the Earn section. Select a cryptocurrency to earn rewards on. Choose the amount and the duration for staking from the available options. Confirm your selection and let the app process your transaction. Next, set up your payment method by going to the card section in the menu. If you wish to order a Crypto.com Visa card, select the card that suits your needs. Fill out any required information and upload necessary documents for processing. Keep an eye on your email for order updates regarding your card delivery. To manage your payment methods, go to the Settings section in your profile. Add or link your preferred bank account or credit card for smoother transactions. To receive crypto payments, share your wallet address found in the Wallet section. Ensure to double-check your wallet address before sending or receiving funds. To keep track of rewards, access the Rewards section regularly within your profile. Monitor your earning progress and adjust your strategy as needed based on performance. Finally, familiarize yourself with the app's features to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.